Well, if we weren't already having a lot of fun, Dr. Sonia, we're about to have even more fun. Going to do some rapid fire questions in a second here, but on your social media, you're sharing valuable education and insights themed around shady tip versus beauty tip. So tell us a bit about that, and then we'll do some of those rapid fire questions.
Well, shady tip versus beauty tip. It's just my way, my fun way, my little game to really set the story straight. I want to cut through the noise. I want to debunk the myths. I want to make sure that all of that misinformation is cleared. So I give you my truth straight from the dermatologist. So for example, I will talk about a common trend called slugging. So slugging, what is that? Is that a beauty tip or a shady tip? Well, it's where you actually smear Vaseline on your face at night. Layla, what do you think that is?
I've heard that it's good for you.
It is. It's a beauty tip. I
It's a
do it.
beauty tip.
I do it
Okay.
myself. So if you know the dermatologist is doing, it's definitely dermatologist approved. So I love it because it locks in moisture. It really helps, especially in the winter months. Literally, like overnight, you're going to get that immediate hydration. It protects your skin barrier. So slugging, yes, all the way. So next one, beef tallow for the skin. What do you think, Layla?
That sounds shady to me.
You're right. It's a shady tip.
Okay.
So it's trending. Everyone, literally these days, my patients come and say, I'm using beef tallow on my face. And I'm just like, oh my goodness. It's not designed for your face. It's going to break you out. It's not backed by science. It's going to clog your pores. So that is an absolute, don't do it. It's a shady tip. So I hope that's gonna help with creating some information and debunking those myths. But you can follow me on Skin by Dr. Sonia for more of those, or contribute some, some ideas, and I'll let you know if it's truly a beauty tip or a shady tip.